Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? For decades, scientists have been searching for extraterrestrial life, using a variety of methods such as listening for radio signals from distant stars. But with the vastness of space and the limited technology we have, the search for extraterrestrial life has been a challenging one. That's where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make predictions. In the search for extraterrestrial life, machine learning is being used to analyze massive amounts of data in real time, and detect patterns that could indicate the presence of technosignatures. Now, a team of scientists have finally found a clue. Using a new machine learning technique, they analyzed data collected by the Green Bank Telescope in West Virginia as part of the Breakthrough Listen initiative. This privately funded project searches for signs of technologically advanced life in 1 million nearby stars, 100 nearby galaxies and the Milky Way's plane. With the help of the new algorithm, the team analyzed 150 terabytes of data from 820 nearby stars, and discovered 8 previously undetected signals of interest from around 5 nearby stars. The algorithm's strength was in organizing the data into categories, allowing the team to distinguish between real signals and interference. Although these signals were promising candidates for genuine technosignatures. Technosignatures are signs of technology developed by an extraterrestrial civilization, such as radio emissions, light flashes, or chemical imbalances in a planet's atmosphere. With machine learning, we can quickly identify and analyze these signals, giving us a better chance of detecting extraterrestrial life. Further observations were needed to confirm the origin of these signals. The team now plans to apply the same algorithm to data from observatories like the Meerkat Array in South Africa, with the goal of searching 1 million stars. The use of machine learning in SETI, or the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has been gaining popularity in recent years. By combining the processing power of computers with the ability to learn from data, machine learning has the potential to revolutionize the way we search for extraterrestrial life. Who knows what we might discover next? With machine learning, the possibilities are truly endless. The search for extraterrestrial life continues, and with the help of machine learning, we are one step closer to finding the answer to one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Please subscribe and follow us for many more interesting videos, and thanks for watching.